So I've finally got my car back together after installing the intake. Miss seeing her on the floor. It does sound phenomenal now compared to with an airbox. Blow-off valves work beautifully. It just screams JDM and boy racer, just the way I like it. Makes me feel young again. So also I've installed my V-Spec sticker. It does finish off the car. Now, what I was going to do today was check my MFD screen because it's in pretty bad condition. Look at that red. So that red haze is what I need to get rid of. And I think it's very common for pretty much every single GTR out there. So border replacement screen, they're actually quite hard to find and quite pricey for what they are. I believe there's only 2 places that have them at the moment. This guy on Facebook, R34 MFD, and there's another mob in Malaysia, JDM Auto Link, that seem to have these things in stock. As you can see, that makes the car look real old. So I am going to change it. Now, it is a bit fiddly to actually take the MFD out because of the air vents here. I suggest getting a set of trim tools off eBay. I think these were like $4. Very inexpensive, so that you don't damage the trim. So essentially, just pry this in and pop it out like that. And that just comes out like that. And that unplugs there. Rest of it's easy. Two of these, 2 Phillips head screws, they come off, shroud comes out. 4 screws in the MFD, and that comes out. And this just pops out. With this, I suggest using a 8mm socket. It's just easier to get to stuff. As you can see here, this is what the back of the unit looks like. You can see the brown, the white connectors, and you can also see the little push tabs and the brown one over there. So you got to push that, and then this plug comes out, and they're quite stiff. I suggest a little screwdriver, a little pointer, little tool, and that should get it out. So once you have the plugs out, just be careful when you take this thing out. The edges are quite sharp, so they can scratch the interior quite easily, so be careful. You don't want to scratch this dash. Bloody expensive. Alright, here's the replacement screen. Here's the old MFD. So let's get started. As you can see, there's some cables holding it in there, ribbon cable, and this. So let's have a look. Of the ribbon cable, what you can do is unplug it off the back of the board here. Hard to see. do is just pry that up. And as you can see, okay, this is the clip. And then and it's out.
And there is a screen. So.
And there is the screen. Now, let's put that one away. Let's put the new one. So when you slide the ribbon cable in, what I've found is you need to make sure the blue line goes in pretty deep before you try and start clipping it down. It's actually really fiddly. But you gotta push it in there, make sure there's full connection before you slide that down. Like that.
It's got fiddly in it, I thought. Yeah.
Okay. Let's peel this off first. Okay. Ooh, I've forgotten something. There's a piece of glass stuck to this. Pretty good. Now that should sit a lot better. So I've reinstalled the MFD screen and it looks a lot better. However, now I have this issue. So when I go to different screens, there's fuzziness, the screen is not properly aligned. Now the issue I've got under it is that there are adjuster knobs underneath this panel on the MFD that you can rotate. There's two for vertical and horizontal alignment, and because the unit is old, the knobs have broken off, so I can't adjust this. So now I'm stuck with the dilemma of new MFD or deal with it. Now, one thing is that I actually like it on this screen and this displays properly. So for the time being, I'm going to leave it, but the screen's looking a lot clearer now without that dreadful redness. So overall, it's job done.